my name is Maylin and today we will be doing the pretty feet routine using castor oil. For this video, we will be using the Luxe Foot Spa Bath. And what you'll need today is just the foot spa, pumice bar, tea tree soak, castor oil, cotton socks, and your feet. So before we get started with the castor oil, we will be soaking in our feet just to get them ready for exfoliation. First, we're going to add warm water to our foot spa, just so our feet can soak. Then, we're going to add our tea tree soak to our foot spa as well. Then, just put it in your feet and let soak for 15 to 20 minutes. After we're done soaking, we're going to prepare to exfoliate with our pumice bar. Now we're going to target any rough areas or dry areas by the heel or any part of the foot. After we are done exfoliating, we're going to take out our feet and pat dry. Ooh, my feet feel so minty because of the tea tree soak. After you pat dry, we're going to apply a dime size of castor oil onto the feet. Do not worry if it does not absorb very quickly because we will be putting socks right on top and leaving it on overnight. So this means you're going to be waking up to such pretty, silky, soft feet. So excited! Alrighty. And that is it. And thank you so much for watching. Keep up with us on the Art Naturals blog and YouTube channel. Do not forget to follow and like and subscribe whenever it comes to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.